To calculate the year-over-year YoY average revenue per user (ARPU), follow these steps. 1. Gather data. Obtain the ARPU data for 2 consecutive years. You need the ARPU values for both the current year and the previous year. 2. Drag and drop to rows and columns. If you have multiple sheets and you need to union the data, you can do that after connecting the data in data source. 3. How day is calculate. By writing this formula as a calculated field. 4. Then adding another calculated field to have ARPU as well. 5. And adding year as another calculated field, then dragging it to marks as a color. 6. Then change some options in year. Make it dimension and discrete. Here is simple and easy steps toward plotting a year-over-year chart of revenue per user.